What is up, you guys? This is me, Reena, at your screen, and welcome back to my channel. And it's finally the month of March and April, which means it's calling for a lot of presentations and a lot of project submissions. And I get it. Been there, done it, survived it. And it's very important to look put together while you're doing your presentations, you know what I mean? And there's a very thin line between doing too much and doing too less. And I think this look is really perfect. It is very minimalistic. I've literally used like 6 to 7 makeup products which are really affordable and easily available online as well as offline. I have kept that point into consideration. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. I definitely loved this look. And yeah, with all of that being said, if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Let's go. So I'm going to start off by using a little bit of moisturizer, for which I'm using my Nivea Soft White Moisturizer. You know the drill. I love this to bits and pieces. It works really well for dry skin girls, and also the fact it works really beautifully underneath makeup, and that's one of the reasons why I love it all the way more. Now I'm just making sure that I don't have too much of moisturizer, because then that can make my foundation really slippery. We're going to quickly move on to the base. I'm going to skip the primer because I know it is essential as a skincare point of view, because it creates like a barrier between the makeup and the skin. But with that being said, I definitely do understand that not everybody has a primer. So yeah, I'm not going to make this a very overwhelming video. So yeah, I'm going to skip on to primer, and then we're going to straightly move on to the base, for which I am using a really easily ultra affordable option, which is the Pond's BB cream. This is like an OG stuff. The only bummer is they don't have shades in there. And then I'm just going to apply it on the centers of my face. Like the main focus should definitely be onto the centers of your face, also on the eyelids, and whatever is left on the forehead. So once you look like this, now is the time to blend. I'm going to use a brush. You can definitely use a beauty blender, whatever suits you, or your fingers. You can do it either way. Again, first go into tapping motions, like almost like slapping, tapping. Like this is the motion you want to go. I'm not going into circular motions because at first I want to distribute the product evenly everywhere. So that is why we do the tapping motion. And once you look crazy like this, now is the time you want to blend your foundation. So that is when you go into the circular motions. Now to make sure that I don't have any streakiness, I'm going to go with a beauty blender. But again, it is very optional. You can totally skip onto this step. Now, I don't know if you can see already, but there's still a little bit of darkness underneath my eyes and around my lips, which personally I'm totally okay with. But when I'm doing makeup, I really like to color correct these areas, because over time they do get oxidized. By that I mean they look a little ashy / grayish. But before that, I'm going to also moisturize my lips. This is the Blue Heaven Lip Balm in the shade Bubblegum. But then again, you know, using a straight up orange concealer can be really overwhelming for a beginner. So go ahead and find a concealer that matches exactly to your skin tone. The one that I have found is the Bharat and Dorris foundation cream, and this is in the shade Sandlight 06. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and go around my lip area. And also I'm going to go underneath my eyes, a little bit over there. Like, do you see how much of a difference this side makes versus this side? Like, and now I'm going to blend all of this using my beauty blender. Now avoid using a brush for this step, because you don't really want to move around your concealer. You want to focus on that particular area. So I would definitely prefer using a beauty blender or your fingers. Then we're going to move ahead and set this face, for which I'm going to be using my Maybelline Super White Compact. This is in the shade Shell. Let's quickly move on to the eyes now. Now to make your eyes enhanced and, you know, more attractive, you definitely have to focus on your eyebrows, because girl, your eyebrows can make it or break it. And for my eyebrows, you know the drill. I'm going to be using my Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown. And again, don't go crazy. You don't want like an Instagram brow. You want a very natural brow. Like, do you see a difference? It looks so natural yet put together. That's exactly the look you're going for. And now I'm just going to use the brush that it comes along with and distribute the product well. That is it for the brows. In case you think, you know, you've gone a little crazy with your brows, don't worry, I got you covered. Just take your compact and just brush over it. So, you know, the color gets a little lighter. Then for the eyes, my friend, mascara. Mascara it is. You definitely need a mascara. I'm going to set the eyelids because I completely forgot to do that, for which I'm going to use obviously my fingers. Now I don't really know if it's just me, but I always have work pending because I'm a procrastinator. As a result, I'll end up staying up late at night, and in the morning I have presentation, so my eyes look really dull and dead, and using a kajal, especially a black one, is the last thing you want to do. So to make your eyes look bigger and more alive and more fresh, nude liner it is. So I'm going to use my Wet n Wild nude liner. Now once you're done applying your nude eyeliner, let's come back to the face, and we need to glow, okay? We need to glow. I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminator. Yes, girl. I wouldn't really apply much on the centers of my face because then it can look on your face. So I'm going to keep it really minimalistic on the center of my face. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and just press all of the powder. Okay, my hair was a mess, so I just decided to tie a pony. But yeah, moving on to lipstick, I'll be using the Maybelline Crazy for Coffee. I really like to have a soft nude lipstick. And well, yeah, that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media. The link is all in the description, and yeah, that's pretty much it. All the very best for your exams and presentations. I'm pretty sure you're going to slay it, and yeah, don't forget to be confident. Bye!